Okay, so I'm starting off with an empty RStudio session. Just to orient you guys, I have my empty script on the left and my console over on the right. Today we're going to be working with the function filter, which is in the dplyr package. So I'm going to library that into my environment. And we're going to be working with the iris dataset. So just so you can see what that looks like, it's 4 columns of different measurements of flower species. That's in the 5th column. You can see the structure of the data set. We have 150 observations, which is the number of rows, and 5 variables, or the number of columns. 4 of those columns are all numeric, and the last one is a factor. So we're going to start off simple. We're going to use the filter function to sort through the rows that meet a certain condition in the data frame. So we want to take the iris data frame, pipe it to the filter function, and search for the rows that contain a sepal length which is greater than 5.0. So you can see that gives us a data frame that only has 118 rows, and all of those rows meet the condition that the sepal length is greater than 5.0. Next, we're going to try another example where we want to filter out the rows where petal width is equal to 0.1. You can see this gives us a much smaller subset of the data frame, only 5 rows out of 150 in the original data set. Now we're going to use the filter function to look for rows that meet multiple conditions. The first 2 examples, we were only looking for rows that met one condition, so rows where sepal length is greater than 5.0, or the second one was rows where the petal width is equal to 0.1. Now we want to look for the biggest overall individuals. So we're going to do that by searching for rows where the sepal length is greater than 5.0 and the petal length is also greater than 5.0. We use the AND symbol to indicate that there's multiple conditions. And you can see that now all of the rows have both sepal length and petal length greater than 5.0, and that gives us a total of 42 rows. You can also use the OR function. This time we're going to search for petal length greater than 5.0 or a petal width of greater than 6.0. So this will give us the individuals that have the largest petals, we would assume, either measured by length or width. Okay, and scrolling through what the output is, you can see that all of the rows have either petal length greater than 5.0 or a petal width that's greater than 6.0. So that's how you use the filter function, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.